All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-to-1 miners, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Trust Miner. This miner's only been out for about 29 days. It's going really, really good. There's something I really like about it, USDT. Basically, it's paid out in a stable coin that's going to be pegged to $1. We don't have to worry about this coin going down 30% or 40% by next month or 2 months from now. Super, super big. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own it, understand it, and get in some cryptocurrency projects. I'm telling you, this one's a hot one, everybody. Let's head over to Trust Miner. All right, right here, Trust Miner, 3.3% daily USDT reward on BSC. This is huge, everybody. First of all, I got a couple things to go over real quick. Where USDT? How big is it? Well, let's go over to CoinMarketCap. 1, 2, 3. It's the third thing listed on CoinMarketCap. Number 1 is Bitcoin. Number 2 is Ethereum. Number 3 is Tether USDT. Okay, so this is the third cryptocurrency ranked. You know I like BNB. You know I like BUSD. Okay, but look at this. It's ranked number 3. It's pegged to $1. Pretty freaking awesome. Next thing, over here at Moonarch. Take a look right here. Blow this thing up. Trust Miner is right here. I mean, Baked Beans is always right there. It's the second thing listed. Look at it, it says USDT. Okay, so let's go over a couple things. You see this up here where it says the longest running miner? That's how I actually found out about BNB Miner, was by coming to Moonarch and going through things. And when I saw this, I'm like, holy cow, let me go click this. Okay, so being on Moonarch, this is fantastic, everybody. So what does this statistic say? Look at this freaking crazy stuff. This project is up 65%, plus 65, okay? Because I like numbers and stuff like that, let's see if anything else is up 65%. 65%, no. Look at the red, and the green, and the one that's the highest is what we're talking about today, Trust Miner. All right, a couple other things. Paid out in USDT. Right here, you can hover over this. It says it's a fork of Lucky Cat. That's totally fine. Lucky Cat's a very successful project. The fees, look what Moonarch says. The fees are 3% and 3%. The project's been running for 29 days. It pays daily 3%. It's got $18,000 in the contract. All right, so here you go. You can click right here. You can go to the Telegram group, which I'll do in a little bit. And we can go right here real quick. On the Telegram group, open the Telegram, and basically everything you want to know is right here. I am going to come back to the Telegram group, okay, but go into the website again. Trust Miner, got some good features. Features, invest, calculate, instructions, frequently asked questions, referrals, and social. Did I mention that it's paid in a coin, that it's not going to go down in 30% in a week? Here's my one story. I got into this miner, FTM, and when I got into the miner, it was 70 cents, and guess what? It's a few months later, and now the coin is like 26 cents. It's really disturbing when you're trying to actually make a profit in cryptocurrency, and the coins go down so much. So nice thing about this is, guess what? USDT is not going to be going down. All right, couple things. Let's go over the features. Invest USDT BIP20 in Trust Miner smart contract to start earning. You got that one right, 3% daily features. Okay, verified and safe. It says verified safe. Trust Miner runs on security on Binance Smart Chain. Our smart contracts are verified and re-announced. Performance. This one's kind of big too. The team is available 24/7 through the Telegram to help with onboarding, claiming rewards, and general support. Again, right here on the Telegram, you view it in Telegram, you open it, and things that you need to know, you would kind of go here and you would check your questions and stuff like that. So that's nice at 24/7. They're going to be there for you. Community driven. The success, direction, and sustainment of the project is achieved through a strong community engagement. And this is the big thing I'm focusing on. Stable rewards. USDT rewards are not impacted by the market volatility. Consistent generate revenue in a bull or bear market. Yeah, I mean, that's just super freaking nice to wake up in the morning and not have to worry like, holy cow, the coin went down 12%. And then the next day, holy cow, the coin went down another 14%. It'd be different if it was actually like a bull run and it was going up 12% and going up 15%, but it's just not doing that. So being pegged to $1, that's fantastic. While we're here, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. We're going to cover a lot of good stuff on this video. Let's head on back. All right. Remember how I got there? Features. Boom. Invest. All right, so here, connect your wallet to see the data, invest, compound, and claim rewards. Contract balance, your wallet, bot owed, and your rewards. Calculator. All right, so this is pretty interesting. I like this. I'm going to show you two things here. I'm going to show you $100, and I'm going to show you $500. What this is showing you is for 10 weeks here. Okay, and I like projections, and I definitely like sites that actually have projections. So what this is saying is if you put $100 in, now look at it, hover over it, you put $100 in, and in the first week, you're going to make 26% interest, which is a total of $126. In your second week, you're going to make $59 in interest, so you'll be at $159. In your third week, you actually would have doubled your money. So you're $100 in, $100 in interest, you'd be at $200 in 3 weeks. Now, again, a lot of times in any kind of investment thing, you may want to let it sit there for a while to kind of grow and nurture and stuff. Week 4, $100 in, your interest is higher. Let's move this over real quick. Week 5, take a look at week 5 here. Oh, holy cow. $100 in, and your interest is $217, total of $317. Let's go 6, 7, 8. Week 6, holy cow, $100 in, $300 in interest, and it's a total of $400. I'm going to bring this down here. This will give you $33 a day. I'm going to come back to that. Week 7, $100 in. It's at $404. I think you're getting the picture. Week 8, you got $534 in interest. Week 9, let's move this little bad boy over. Week 9 is $100. You started with $100, and now you got a total of $799. And by week 10, you got $1,000 in there. Now, since you know $100 goes into $1,000 10 times, it's like you got 90%, $907 of interest here by following the program. What's the program? Compounding. Okay, so let's go to the instructions here up at the top. This is showing you how, use your MetaMask instructions, add BSC to your MetaMask wallet, add the BEP20 to your MetaMask. I'm going to do this right here just to show everybody on film how easy this is. Options for transferring funds to USDT. Some of you may not have USDT in your wallet, not know how to get it, so I'm going to show you how freaking simple this is. Here we go. We're clicking it. All right. Now I'm actually connected to my wallet, and in my wallet right this second, I have 0 USDT. Notice that 0. So I'm going to put how much BNB is $227. So for $100, what, 227 times 0.25 gives me $56. So 227 times 0.45 is 102. Okay, so 0.45. Okay, so that's how we figure that one out real quick. Here we go. Let's put 0.45 in this. 0.46. Actually, we do 0.47 for some fees. 0.47. It's going to give me $106 of USDT. I'm going to swap it. How simple this is. Boom. Pay a little bit of gas fees. So we're paying some gas fees. Shawam. There we go. Let's go back up here. I kind of like to see this real quick so everybody sees it. Let's go to my assets. Got $0 of USDT. Should take a little bit of time. It's usually 3. Oh, boom, 106. So right there, I showed you how quick that was. So that's how I took some BNB and I moved it to USDT. And how did I do that? I did it right on the website. Right here. The options to transfer fund the USDT. All right, let's do this here. Trust wallet instructions. Again, if you have a mobile device, it's going to tell you everything there. Also for your USDT, BEP20. Connect and buy. Follow these instructions. So let's go to the top here. It says connect. I'm going to connect to my MetaMask. Connecting my wallet. All right, now I'm connected. So notice over here again when I said invest. So I had nothing in here and I wasn't connected. The contract balance, I kind of like this. There's 18,000 in there. Also, I wanted to show you this real quick before I do this. Over here on the miners, Moonarch Trust Wallet, you can actually go right here in the middle and click this, and it shows you the contract balance. Look at the contract balance, 18,881 and 36 cents. I did that for Moonarch by clicking the middle thing here, which was fantastic. But notice on the Trust Wallet, it's got the same thing. Connect. Your contract balance is 18,894, so pretty good there. So I have to approve my USDT trading. So I'm going to click approve my trading. I think I got to usually pay about 7 or 8 cents. So I'm paying the 8 cents, no big deal. And over here, it always takes a second to do it. Boom, it's still approving right here. See how it's approving? It's pending. Boom, done. Okay, so now I'm approved. So in my wallet, I got $106. I'm going to go ahead and put $106 in. All right, I've already approved it, so now I can buy my bots. I want you to look here, bots owned, it says 0, so I got 0 bots owned. Buy my bots, I'm buying $106 worth. Here we go. Paying a little bit of gas fees. And you can probably see it pop right here. Bots owned here, 106. And what's going to happen? Usually it's about 3 to 5 seconds. Boom, 2024 bots owned. So now I got 2024 bots. If I go back to my wallet, remember I had $106 of USDT. I have only 69 cents in there. So there you go. So I showed you how to actually swap your money from BNB to USDT. Just bought bots. The contract was at 18,000 something. My little deposit and somebody else's deposit put it over 19,000, which is fantastic. Not kicking off any rewards yet because it's going to take a little bit of time. Don't forget we got the instructions. All right, real quick, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. We're going to go to frequently asked questions real quick, and then we're going to go from there. Let's go to frequently asked questions. Right at the top, frequently asked questions. There's only 6 of them. What happens when I invest? Your USDT gets locked into the blockchain smart contract, and your rewards will be 3.3% returned daily. You can choose to compound or withdraw your rewards at any time. What happens after I invest? The smart contract will continually reward your USDT. Refresh the site and compound or withdraw your rewards. Once per day is recommended for the gas fees on BSC. How often should I compound my rewards? It depends on your personal investment goals. A popular long-term strategy is to compound 6 days and then claim on the 7th. This allows larger daily withdrawals later. Yeah, that 6 and 1 that everybody talks about, that the whole community as a whole, you compound for 6 days, and then on the 7th day you claim. If you're going to do that, I always like to do the 6 days and the 7th day be Sunday, so then Sunday I collect my money, or your profits, your rewards. So 6 days of compounding, 1 day of getting rewards. How is the Trust Miner platform sustainable? The rewards are currently supported by USDT within the smart contract. Future roadmap items will be revealed to sustain rewards outside the revenue. How do referrals work? After connecting your wallet to the site, your referral link will appear. Sharing this link will earn you 12% of all deposits made by referrals. These rewards can be compounded or withdrawn at any time. Last one. Am I stuck trying to get my wallet set up? Who can help? Well, you know that answer. The Trust Miner team and the community are available on the Telegram to help you with the onboarding questions. All right. I got my referral link. I'm going to put at the bottom. To get in touch here, if you have a question or whatever, you can fill this out and hit a message. They'll get back to you. The Telegram's over here to the right. They have an email here. The Telegram's right here at the bottom. Your Twitter account. Didn't go over the Twitter real quick. I will go over this. There's some cool things in here. Take a look at this. Trust Miner. Tell me that ain't freaking cool. But right here on their Twitter account, you can check everything out. I like their Telegram better because you can get instant answers and questions. They have the calculator that we were just talking about, how you can compound. Oh yeah, one last thing, I told you I would do this. Go into the calculator with that $100. After 10 weeks, look what you'd be making, $33 a day. That's pretty freaking awesome, right? Some people don't mind doing $100. I just did 106, just messing around. I'll probably have 1,000 in this within a week or two. But look at this, $500. Let's look what happens when you put 500 in. You put 500 in week 4, you got 500 in, 759. But look what 500 turns into. 500 turns into $166 per day. What is that bad boy equal in a month? 166 times 30. In 10 weeks, you would have $5,000 a month, and look what that says right there. Your total, you put 500 in, you'd have $5,000 in the program, and then you actually could be getting 166 a day. Now, the thing is I wouldn't claim for all 30 days because you want to make the project sustainable. But if you claimed once a week, it'd be 166 times 4. If you claim twice a week, 5 and 2, there's nothing wrong with it. All right, back here at the top, Trust Miner, 3.3% daily USDT rewards on BSC. Definitely going to want to check this out. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. I do this actually to document my journey. And also that I'm checking things out myself. I do love the fact that this is a stable coin. I don't have to wake up tomorrow and the coin being down 30%. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, everybody, couple things too. Click right here so you can check out BNB Miner. This miner's been paying out for 450 days, one of the best miners on the planet. Click over here, one of my other favorite projects, the Cake of Fortune. I like this project too. All these projects that I'm bringing are fantastic projects right now. Trust Miner, you gotta love it. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you a little bit later on today.